Yo, yo, yo. Um, Here we go, man. Another day, another dub. Um, Today I made let's see. So about 700 minus 200. So yeah, about 500 bucks. Um, I took two trades. It says I took three, but it was really two. Um, but yeah, let's just get right into it. So today I was leaning bearish just for the fact that we had this big SMT right here between ES and NQ. So I was leaning a little more bearish in that sense. But when market opened, I saw that we were in this massive hourly gap as well. So I wasn't just instantly trying to take shorts. I wanted to see how this gap was reacted before I kind of made up my mind about anything. So the new price was in this hourly range or hourly gap, and on ES it was as well. But yeah, so right around the macro, we made a SMT here, a bullish SMT with ES. Oops. So I was looking, geez, I need to delete some of this. But I saw that we left relative equal lows, so I wasn't just trying to take longs immediately. Um, right after this, I did see this 1 minute inversion, which I know a lot of people probably took, ended up winning off of. I didn't want to take this just because I still could have saw a price come up and then take this out and then want to move upwards. But I guess because the S&T that should have maybe confirmed it. I don't know. I figured I'd just stay out of the trade, not really worry about it, and just look for a different trade. So, um, price came up. We swept out London highs and yeah, this 4 hour high. Um, and so once we did that, I was looking for one of two things. I was looking for either a continuation model off this 5 minute gap here, or I was looking for this, um, forget what these are called. Um, Rejection blocks or whatever, I think. Or this rejection block to hold, which it did. It hit to a T. So, and then, so once we hit this 5 minute gap, I took longs here, because I thought we were going to inverse, or we did inverse this gap right here. Looking back on it, this is not the best trade. I saw that we inversed this. We filled the 5 minute. We filled this 1 minute, but we could still reject. Like we could still go lower. Like going up isn't hasn't been confirmed yet just because of this. Um, and especially how we didn't really like flush through this. I would have liked to see like a strong flip, not this kind of rejection candle. So this is kind of a mistake on my end. I think I just kind of wanted to take a trade, and that was like, all right, I'll take this. Definitely could have avoided this loss, but I de-risked for it. I only lost like 200 bucks, so it's not at the end of the world. But so yeah, after I took that loss, I was kind of like, all right, clearly we don't want to go higher for today. What should I be looking for? Um, and so I looked over at, here we go, yeah, at ES, and I noticed we had this SMT here. Oops, it's bearish SMT, and that gave me the confirmation once we flipped this gap to enter to go short, which I got filled. Oops, turn this off. 25,740. So that was my fill. Stops went at the swing high, maybe there. and I was targeting this. Just targeting the London lows over here. So yeah, that was the trade. I didn't really have the only thing I didn't like about this trade is I didn't have a clear break even point, so I just went break even kind of when price was dumping down. So I went break even right about here, and I took off one contract just because I figured, well, we still could um be bullish if we wanted to because price filled equilibrium of this range. And so I didn't want to just, I don't know. I guess in hindsight, I probably should have left it and just stayed at break even, but I'm fine with this. Um, and yeah, I mean, pretty simple trade, honestly. Just waiting for the manipulation of London highs and then waiting for confirmation. I mean, we get SMT, fill this rejection block, and then get an 1 minute inversion. I mean, that's pretty much all you need. CISD here too. I mean, this was pretty textbook short here. Yeah, and ended up getting paid. Got 105 points. So this is a really good trade for me. I'm starting to feel really confident with my trading. Not to where I'm gonna start taking stupid trades, but I'm finally like, I guess, trusting that this works. It's really hard to get your brain wrapped around how you can just make money by drawing a bunch of lines and boxes on charts. But yeah, so hopefully next week we can continue this. Hopefully pass the account and then get a payout. So peace.